Welcome! In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517, and in this video I will show you how to turn off the battery saving mode on this device. To do that, right-click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, then go to Power and Sleep Settings, and here expand the energy saver setting. Now to switch off the battery saver manually, switch this toggle to the left, and if you want to switch it off forever, expand this list and select Never right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.